squeezing air between a small gap as it leaves the body. In English pronunciation, there are 9 fricative phonemes. F, v, th, th, s, z, sh, sh, h, made in 5 positions of the mouth. F, first, v, van, th, thick, th, these, s, saw, z, zen, sh, she, sh, casual, h, hard. The fricative sounds v, th, z, sh are voiced. They are pronounced with vibration in the vocal cords, whilst the sounds f, th, s, sh, h are voiceless, produced only with air. Fricative sound spellings. Common spellings for each fricative sound are underlined below. F, far, v, save, of, th, think, th, those, s, sir, race, z, zoo, rise, sh, sharp, chef, pressure, sugar, motion,